What's up, family? Welcome back to another video. My name is Derica for anybody who is new here, and today we get into this punch needle rug. Let's go make magic. So here is the embroidery frame. If you know anything about embroidery, you know that we have like smaller frames for the machines. But this is a big wooden one that I got from Hobby Lobby. It is 23 inches. Ooh. I think I just got a splinter. Alright, so we're gonna open this up like this, and it comes apart in two like such. This one goes at the bottom. I'm gonna take our monk's cloth. Got this from Hobby Lobby as well, and this is 1 yard. And it should be tight enough to make a drum sound. So I'm going to tighten this as I go, and as I tighten the screw, I'm going to continue pulling around the edges to make it tighter. Here is my logo. As you see, it is colorful, and we're going to connect this to the projector and project it to the wall. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. Also, don't forget that you do have to flip your image. So it is backwards. Well, to y'all it's probably forwards, but it's backwards, and this is the other side. This is the side that's going to be the correct side. So yeah, I'm excited. This is what it looks like. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. I think it needs to be tighter. But hey, I'm a little excited. So let's keep going. Looks like it's running together, but it's really not. You see all the space where you put the black? But on the front, since it's so fluffy, it just looks like it's running together. Just trust the process. Let's keep going. So just that fast, I lost my threader. And I always see people on YouTube who like buy a lot of threaders because you lose them because they're super thin. But if you have a daughter, you can use her bead threader. Here is the outline for printing. It is so cute. I cannot wait to come back and fill it in. So, I don't know what happened. I just totally was in my zone and the camera was not recording when I did the whites. But let me show y'all because I'm too excited. Okay. Bam. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. Can y'all see this? Look at the white. I want to do a whole, I might do something else in like mostly white because this white is whiting. Okay, it's so bright and so just luxurious against these colors. Oh my gosh. So this is what the back looks like. So yeah, so the colors are mixed together and that's why the colors go like this. They're not, I didn't want each one a solid color because that's not how my logo is. My logo is kind of like the colors intertwine. So yeah, our last color. And yeah, so we're gonna fill this whole thing up in black and of course it'll start to separate. So yeah, let's go. Finish up this thing. Last night I wanted to finish it but I ran out of yarn, so had to run to Michael's today and picked up a new ball of yarn. All right, so I am finally finished. This is what the front looks like. I have to cut all these strings off. This is what the back looks like. I actually love the bag. It just gives like abstract. I do have some extra fabric from some other projects, some baby blankets that I sew. It's called bullet fabric, and I'm going to use this to cover the back. And while this is still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of that and lay this right on top. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you like this, if this was something that interests you, please press the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.